Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install RolaCase's wire spool holder. It's got 4 rows and it can be adjusted in width and height. First things first, determine which one's left and right. You'll notice the tapered top there. So this one's going to be right. I can pretty much guess anywhere I'm going to install this right now. So let's just say here looks good. Remember, you can move this around anywhere. Start off with one of the screws supplied, hold it in place. Lining it up vertically with one down the bottom. It's always good to get one at the top and one at the bottom. Now this piece fits like so. You need to have 8 holes distance across for this to fit. Like so. That's more or less what it's going to look like. So I can place all the screws in. So in total there are 16 more screws. Remember, you can move this anywhere along the perforate. Okay, this is how you attach the spool. Simply lift this out, fit that in there, and there you have it. Pull feet, put it any height. You can actually cut these shorter if you wish to bring them closer together. Okay, that's it.